Hello everyone, so we have a to the power of x plus 2 to the power of s equals to 30. X is your known and s must be element of real number. So if we solve together, let's say solution. 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3, also to the power of x, plus 2 to the power of s is equals to 30. But a to the power of m bracket to the power of n is represented also as a to the power of n and m outside the bracket. So the power can be interchanged and is still the same. So in the next line, we can write 2 to the power of x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of s is equals to 30. And since we have 2 to the power of s, 2 to the power of s common in the two terms, let k be represented as 2 to the power of s. So that in the next line, we can have k to the power of 3 plus k equals to 30. But 30 can be written as 27 plus 3. And 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3. And this is 3 to the power of 1. So the next line becomes k to the power of 3 plus k equals to 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 1. So if we decide to group them according to their powers, that means we're going to bring the right hand side to the left hand side, so that the next line becomes k to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 in bracket plus k to the power of 1 minus 3 to the power of 1 is all equal to 0. But from algebra, a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is represented as a minus b times a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2, where k is a and 3 is represented as b. Since this is the form of this, the next line becomes k minus 3 into k squared plus 3k plus 3 to the power of 2, that is 9, close the bracket, plus here k minus 3 is all equal to 0. So if we factor out k minus 3, since it's common to both terms, we're going to have our next line as k minus 3, close this bracket, and this whole term divided by k minus 3, it will be left with this, which is k to the power of 2 plus 3k plus 9, and k minus 3 divided by k minus 3, that will be 1, is all equal to 0. And if you do this very well, we're going to have k minus 3 into k squared plus 3k plus 10. This is all equal to 0. And here it will leave us with two solutions. So that case 1 will be k minus 3 equals to 0, or k to the power of 2 plus 3k plus 10 will be equal to 0. From here, k is equals to 3, and which is a real number. And to verify here if the value we get from here will be real numbers, we're going to employ the discriminant that say discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac, so that b is equals to 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a is 1, the coefficient of k squared, times c is 10. And if we do this very well, it will become 3 to the power of 2, that is 9, minus 4 times 1 is 4, times 10 is 40. And this is equal to minus 31. And minus 31 is less than 0. So if we apply quadratic formula, we're going to end up having complex solution. So from here, no real solution. The only real solution we have is k equals to 3. And also recall that we assume k to be equals to 2 to the power of x. That is 2 to the power of s is equals to k. And 2 to the power of s is equals to 3, the value of k. If we take log to base 10 on both sides, we're going to have log 2 to the power of x equals to log 3. So that x log 2 will be equals to log 3. We're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is log 2 over log 2. And here, log 2 will cancel out. What is left is x is equals to log 3 over log 2. This can be simplified as s equals to log 3 base 2. We can decide to verify this. If actually s equals to log 3 base 2 satisfies the original equation, and the original equation is 8 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of s is equals to 30. So that 8 will be to the power of log 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. Can this be equals to 30? 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 log 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. Can this be equals to 30? And this can be written as 2 log 3 power 3, power goes up, base 2, plus 2 log 3 base 2. Want to know if this gives us 30. But 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 cancels out. What is left is 3 to the power of 3. And again, 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 cancels out. What is left is 3. Can this be equals to 30? And 3 to the power of 3, that is 27 plus 3 is equals to 30. 27 plus 3 is 30. That is to say, the value of x as log 3 to base 2 is actually correct, because it satisfies the original equation. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Please click on the subscription button, hit on the like button also to help us grow. Bye.